Imagine waking up one morning to find that a single venture capital firm has just raised a staggering $232 million to invest in the next big thing in tech. Can you guess what that might be? It's a sum that's almost as shocking as the fact that just 10 years ago, the entire European VC industry was worth less than that. So what's changed? The answer lies in the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. And one firm in particular is making waves: Air Street Capital, a London-based VC that's just become one of the largest solo venture capital firms in Europe. But what does that really mean for the tech landscape? This is a story about the future of tech and why it matters to you, whether you're an investor, an entrepreneur, or just someone who's curious about the latest developments in AI. This is a space that's moving at breakneck speed, with new innovations and breakthroughs emerging every day. So can you afford to be left behind? The fact is, AI is no longer just a niche interest. It's a major driver of economic growth, and firms like Air Street Capital are positioning themselves to be at the forefront of this revolution. But what's driving this trend? Is it the potential for huge returns on investment, or something more? Air Street Capital's $232 million fund is a significant milestone, not just for the firm itself, but for the entire European tech ecosystem. It's a vote of confidence in the region's ability to produce world-class AI companies, and a sign that investors are willing to put their money where their mouth is. But what kind of companies will they be investing in? The answer is early-stage European and North American AI startups, the kind of firms that are working on cutting-edge technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. But what makes these companies so special? Is it their potential to disrupt entire industries, or their ability to solve some of humanity's most pressing problems? As we dive deeper into the world of AI, it's clear that this is an industry that's still in its infancy, but growing up fast. Just think about it. 10 years ago, AI was mostly the realm of academia and research labs. But today it's a major driver of business innovation, with companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook investing billions in AI research and development. But what's the end game? Is it a future where AI is ubiquitous, invisible, and indispensable, or something more sinister? The fact is, AI has the potential to transform every aspect of our lives, from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment. But can we trust the companies that are driving this revolution? So what does this mean for everyday people? Will we all be working for AI-powered robots in 10 years' time? Or will we be using AI to enhance our own abilities and make our lives easier? The answer is likely somewhere in between, but one thing is certain: AI is going to change the world. And firms like Air Street Capital are going to be at the forefront of that change. But what can we do to prepare ourselves? Can we learn to code, or do we need to develop entirely new skills? The fact is, AI is a rapidly evolving field, and it's hard to predict exactly what the future will hold. But one thing is certain: it's going to be exciting, and it's going to be transformative. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI is going to play an increasingly important role in our lives, and firms like Air Street Capital are going to be at the forefront of that trend. So what can we do to stay ahead of the curve? Can we invest in AI startups, or do we need to develop our own AI skills? The answer is yes, and yes, whether you're an investor, an entrepreneur, or just someone who's curious about the latest developments in AI. There's never been a more exciting time to be involved in this space. So what are you waiting for? If you want to stay up to date with the latest news and trends in AI, be sure to subscribe to our channel, where we'll be bringing you in-depth analysis and insights from the world of tech. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.